put a leg on the back because I'm gonna level it and I can't reach back there. So I'm gonna level it tripod wise instead of all 4 points. It's easier. I'm gonna put this back there in the back because I can't reach it, and then level the front. And then I have a stud right here. I'm gonna put a screw. I shimmed it. Then I'll put the top on that. And then I cut these with this kind of profile. And then I'm gonna lay these on top to cover that joint where the two shells come together. And then this is just to hold up the back one. This one I couldn't leave the filler on because I couldn't get it in because of the build out of these corners. So we have some demolition progress happening. Barb has started taking up the oak floor, the old oak floor, and I'm in the process of covering it with some plywood subflooring. I got to start here in the bathroom. I had to do it in 2 pieces in order to get underneath the toe kicks of these cabinets. But yeah, she's getting this oak floor tore up. And you notice that it changes pattern. They used to put them on a diagonal over the floor joist. The floor joist runs this way. But right here, this is kind of a patch. If you've been following, there used to be a stairwell. Started there and went into what's now the bathroom. Look at that. She damaged our wall. I'll have to have her fix that. Of course, I got to cut the 2x4 out and get the door in here. But she's collected quite a bit of this. This is old flooring, probably good to burn, but it's got nails in it. But she's got all this to take up too. Okay, alright, here's what we have for the end of this week. I got all the plywood down. I don't know if I explained. Because the subflooring is 1x boards run on a diagonal, and we pulled up the old oak floor. We have to put something over the top of it. So we put 1/2 inch OSB board is what that is. Over that, but after I did that, you have to do it again over the new part. So everything has 1/2 inch over 3/4 inch. So it should make a pretty stout subfloor. But we got the hallway done. Again, we still have to tear this up. And she got the walls painted, the new cabinet. She got it all painted out. This turned out pretty good. This is not painted, I shouldn't say. This is primered. And then she did the drawers. So we made pretty good progress this week.